U.S. citizenship application costs. This is Fred Wahl, the VisaCoach. Sometimes you just want the answer without all the details where that answer came from. So here is the VisaCoach Minute. I'm going to cut to the chase with concise answers to frequently asked questions. And today's question is, what are the costs to apply to become a U.S. citizen? The spouse of a U.S. citizen may apply to become a U.S. citizen after, 2 years and 9 months of permanent residency. And a lawful permanent resident who is not married to a U.S. citizen must wait, 5 years of permanent residency before applying. The process to become a U.S. citizen is called naturalization. And the fees to apply for naturalization are, paid to USCIS. And the fee as of October 2nd, 2020 is, drumroll, $1,170. This was Fred Wahl, the VisaCoach. Click here to sign up for our monthly newsletter and receive bonus ebooks. Here for YouTube's recommendations. Here for the full playlist of recent videos on citizenship. And here to subscribe, to our channel.